Welcome to Heart Anatomy and Blood Vessels Lab. The heart is part of the cardiovascular system. Cardio means heart, and vascular refers to the blood vessels. So literally, it's the system of heart and blood vessels. You may have also heard the cardiovascular system referred to as the circulatory system. Technically, the circulatory system is the heart, blood vessels, along with the blood itself. But typically, A&P instructors don't hold their students to that distinction, and they allow the cardiovascular system and the circulatory system to be used interchangeably. Let's talk briefly about the function of the cardiovascular system. Even though we're going to focus on anatomy in lab, anatomy and physiology are very much related, and so if you understand the physiology, it can help you understand and learn the anatomy. As I'm sure you are aware, most cells of the body can't move around. They're pretty much fixed in place. And they only interact with the interstitial fluid that surrounds them. What that means is all nutrients, oxygen, other substances like hormones that cell needs has to be brought to it. Likewise, any waste products that cell produces or any secretions such as hormones that cell produces has to be removed from the interstitial fluid that surrounds the cell. Because again, the cell only interacts with the interstitial fluid that surrounds it. It's the function of the cardiovascular system to continually refresh that fluid, bringing oxygen and nutrients to the cell and removing waste products and substances secreted by the cell. So the cardiovascular system is responsible for refreshing that fluid that the cells interact with. Blood vessels provide the pathway for transport to and from the cells of the body, and the heart provides the driving force, the propulsion to move those substances to and from cells of the body. Therefore, the function of the cardiovascular system is transportation. The heart is the pump, and the blood vessels provide the pathway.